Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have an unboxing video, and it's an unboxing kind of review video of the Jeffree Star Supreme Frost Highlighting Powder. And I got mine in Money Honey, can you see there? And also I have his Velour lipstick, which is called Thirst Trap. And this is a limited edition summer colour. So, first of all, before I get onto the review unboxing, I am in my bedroom and the lighting, it's about 6:30, so there's no daylight outside. So I've had to compromise and put some lights on. Oh, gosh. So if it looks a bit funny, I do apologise. It's just the way, I can't do anything else but just put the lights, these kind of lights. And these are just my bedroom lights. I don't have studio lights whatsoever. What is wrong with my hair? So yeah, I don't have any studio lights, so these are the lights that I have. And at daylight is so important for filming videos, so I do apologise if it's not the best. So first of all, I wanted to, but I think it's quite nice. It's quite a nice kind of, more of a cozy kind of atmosphere with the lights, I think. You know, dimmed down, it seems more intimate, I think. So just let me know below if you like it or not. So I just want to take you through my makeup look for this video. First of all, I have my eyes, and as you can see, I'm actually wearing this Thirst Trap on my eyes. It's kind of a glitter kind of look. It's really, really nice. And Jeffree Star's lip velours are eye friendly and face friendly, so that's really, really good. So I tried that out. I just randomly thought, do you know what, I'm going to try this on my eye, and it's so amazing. It's beautiful. It really does make my eyes just pop. And I've just looked in the viewfinder, my nails. I haven't even addressed my nails. I have brand new nails, as you can see there. Is it focusing? 1 second. There we go. There we are. And these are, now it's coming across very pink. These are just French tips with love hearts on them. And I just love these nails. They're absolutely sick. And I got these done about 2 days ago. My face looks like a balloon. I'm not keen. Anyway, really, really love these. I, for a change, knew what nail to get, what design to get, and I just asked the lady, and she's done an absolutely amazing job. And I've changed the shape back to a, what is it? Almond shape. My nails are absolutely amazing. You can see a bit better now, actually. Beautiful. And I thought I had to show you them before they go, because you know when you wear nails after a few days, they go a bit, they kind of grow out, so I needed to show you them fresh. So my eyes, yep, I've shown you my eyes. I just have a clear lip gloss and just my makeup as usual. Just very minimal. And my eyebrows, the Benefit Goof Proof, which I always say wrong every single time. Oh, sorry, my jewellery is just what I'd always wear, sterling silver chokers. So let's get on with the video. So this is his Supreme Frost highlighter. And I saw the YouTube video, and Jeffree Star talks about how this is a hybrid. I can't just remember. It's some sort of like hybrid kind of base. I don't know. So it's not like, hasn't got a pan. It's from Italy. He got the ingredients. It's not, we're not cooking. The materials for this highlighter were produced in Italy, so they were very expensive. This is why this was £30, whereas his Skin Frost were, how much were they? 16, 20. So the ingredients are really premium. So let's get into the Supreme Frost. Which way do I open this? So anyway, look, sorry, let's just talk about the packaging first. I'm all over the place. So this is the packaging here. And the feel of this is like not felt, but it feels furry, and it's a really, really nice feeling. It's lovely. And on the back it says, sparkle to the max, bling bling bitch. Shine bright like a lighthouse, extreme payoff. Vegan, cruelty free. And can you see there? I love this. I love the little touches that he's put to the box. It just means a lot, you know. There's a little crown there. I love packaging. I've always been a sucker for packaging. And it says, beauty tip, apply with a brush for medium intensity or directly tap on with your fingertips for extreme glow. Can be put anywhere you want to bring light or attention to. So exciting. So yes, this is made in Italy. This is why this product costs slightly more than his Skin Frost. I don't even know if you can see that, if it's focusing. But it's made in Italy with premium, expensive ingredients. So that's why the price is relatively higher. And I'm okay with that, because if it's a quality product, then you pay for what you receive. So it's fine by me. So let's get on with the video. So this is the Supreme Frost here. It's stunning, isn't it? I'm really actually glad that I've got a lighting like this, because it can show up, because I'm actually going to apply the highlighter on, so you can just see on my face how beautiful it applies. And that's the colour. That's the back. And I got shade Honey Money. And is it called Honey Money? Money Honey. And I'm really glad I got this, because everything else had sold out apart from 2. So it's kind of a green, money looking, green gold. And it's just, I cannot wait to put this on. So I'm going to actually try it on. And I love the front. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Really, really, really swanky. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swatch on my hand first. On my finger. Look at that. That almost looks like it's wet. Don't mind my nail, I have foundation on there. Wow. Wow, that is fucking amazing. Can you see how much it shines? Now I'm just going to swatch with a brush. I've got 2 brushes. I've got this. This is the Morphe M310 brush. It looks really, really flat. And then I've got this brush here too, which is the Morphe M510. So I'm going to use this one first, just to swatch. Wow. That is blinding. I absolutely, and I love a lot of highlight. Looks extraterrestrial. It's got kind of specks of gold. I'm just going to put some on my nose. Cupid's bow. Literally looks like it's wet. Wow. And I'm just going to now swatch with my finger also, because why not? Whoa. Now I'm going to show you the Thirst Trap. Now this comes with packaging like this, and it looks like it has like water droplets down here, and it's so cool. It feels like kind of 3D. I'm gonna open it up, and this is the colour. And it's called Thirst Trap, and it's kind of pinky metallic. Wow. Absolutely insanely gorgeous. And I love with the eyes, I've also added this on the eyes. Can you see? It really does make a dramatic look. Now I wouldn't personally wear the lip and the eye, because I think it looks too much. But because I want to show you how it looks, I think it'll be a good idea to show you both. So that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this review. I still cannot get over my lips, how metallic and beautiful they look. Honestly, in the light, it really does make the world of difference. So I am really glad that I haven't got natural light, because if I did, and I don't think you'll be able to see how blinding these products are. So I really suggest you get on the website, beautybay.com. I'm not sponsored by him, by the way. I wish I was. Look. Insane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of the video. I'm getting some brand new hair extensions at the end of this week, and I'm bleaching my hair because it's so overdue. So there'll be a video for that too. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. I've said this before, I think. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.